2, 1. What's up, boys? It is your boy SurF Hashh here, back at it again with another video, baby. I haven't made a vlog since the Chicago vlog, and today I was like, yo, maybe I should do a vlog this time. Maybe it's gonna be a good day. Maybe I should vlog. So that's what I'm doing. Last time I made a vlog, it kind of failed. I tried making a vlog for you guys a couple of weeks ago, but it didn't work out as I planned. See, but I'll try again this time, and hopefully it can do better. Let's get it. First, I need to get a haircut, because this not looking good at all. No, wait. I got you. Wait. Oh, look at that. Okay. So, anyways, soon I'm going to be going down to Terrence's house, and then we're going to be hanging out with him. I'll get back to you guys when I'm on my way to Terrence's house. Oh, don't forget, smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. I want to break 10 likes. Let's go, baby. 10. Like. What's up, guys? It's your boy Hashh with the guy Taryn, TRT, and Bella. Gonna go down to the beach and hang out with the boys. We're gonna have a pretty fun day. Taryn, where you going? Taryn, I bet you I can dunk on this 10-foot hoop. 10-foot hoop, confirm. 10 foot. 10 foot. Let's get right. And we here at the food mart with the boys. Wait. Oh yeah, they were slow, so I left them.
Hi, Jovan!
What is up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Coming
What's
through,
up,
dog.
guys?
What up, dog?
What's up? Is this Jovan's? This is my boyfriend. Oh, you have a vlog too?
What up,
is it Terrence or yours?
Terrence.
Hi,
You.
Terrence. Put me in every side.
It's a vlog fest.
Put me in your vlog, please, and I'll watch it.
Yo, what do you have to tell the subscribers?
Go ahead and click a like button and smash that like button because I'm on it, and also hit that subscribe button. And put your notifications on to get the notifications every time Jovan puts up a vlog. And TRT. Hashh TRT.
Yo, get on it, go. Alright, see ya. Go 50! Well, that's that. Time to get some drinks. Oh, that's a nice. They're giving us a ride back to Terrence's house. Let's get it!
Because why? Why would you leave your skateboard?
What a goat for bringing us back to this place.
That's our real friends.
Taryn rode the bike back.
But we got to ride in the car, baby. Hey. Hey. You said I'm moving, no hands, baby. 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 Oof. 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 Oh shit.
What's up, guys? It is your boy SurF Hashh here. We're here at the beach with the boys. Look what we got. We got pineapple soda in this bitch. I just jumped the fence and they tried getting me, but you know your boy. What did I do, Taryn?
You ran. You just fucking ran like a black person.
He said, fuck getting 3 sodas. We just get one big giant 2-liter. We out here, dog. Gang, gang.
Shay, Dad.
You saw his dick poking out? Yeah, Gary to go talk to him. She is fucking sunburned to hell.
Yeah. What's up, guys? It's your boy SurF Hashh here. Checking that shit. Tiffany, loyal sub back there. Are they really over there singing?
Yeah,
Boy,
that's
Trey.
what white people do, I guess.
White people.
That's what singing black.
That's why you don't hang out with them.
Yo, all the big waves are coming. I'm gonna do a front flip. Bet.
Do it, pussy. Do it. Do it. Do it. Ah! He did it. Why did I just scream like that? Go. I kind of don't want to drink the whole thing though.
Shut up. Go. Go. It's a drill. I do that all the time. I do that for my sister.
Oh my god.
Fuck you. Back to my bag.
Illegal! Ah, that's illegal! You should pull up later. Dab! Do it! Dab, Kyle. Dab!
She said he was pretty.
I love you, bro. That was mean. Hey. Out here petting dogs. Don't you? And we are back, guys. Coming at you from the canoe. Live. What's up, guys? It's your boy. Hold on. I gotta flip the camera. I don't know how. Ah. Say hi, guys. What's up, guys? It's your boy Hashh here. And today we are on a freaking canoe.
Thinks he's the fucking.
Are you recording? Steer it the other way so I can get it. Yo, fuck you, bird. Yo, we're coming over there taking that freaking rock from you. We on your ass, boy. What? Just like.
Or Baron Clay's up here.
Okay. Jump on my oar. Let's go. Fuck you, Darren.
God, you should have gotten off.
Yo, climb across here. Climb across the top. Climb across the top and get up. We got him.
What's up, guys? We're back in the boat right now.
Popping wheelies on a boat, baby. That's how we do. Surf squad life.
mad beautiful out here. We out here on a Thursday afternoon, just chilling. Out here finessing kayaks. Me and my boys, we some savages.
Hey guys, what's up? I don't know how the fuck this shit happened. But were you videoing when I said, damn, there's mad caterpillars over here?
No.
Well, apparently one of them fucking stung me. And there's little fucking
We just
hairs.
stole this kayak, guys.
There's fucking hairs in my arm now.
We stole this
This shit
fucking
hurts so
kayak.
fucking bad.
Is there a way?
Let's flip it back, flip it back.
Alright guys, Jovan just stole this fucking kayak. Jovan! Say hi to the vlog. What's up guys? I am back home from the beach. Crazy adventure, literally sprinted home. Was late like 30 minutes. But I'm going in the pool. Get this sand off of me. Let's get don't stop.
Yeah! See, it's not that bad. It is it. It was doing a video.
That's it for the vlog, guys. Make sure you smash that like. Nisho, stop. Make sure you guys smash that like button when you're done. And thanks for watching the video. Yeah. Peace.
Yeah!